Do you know where men want to be touched? Do you want to be more intimate with your lover or husband? It is important to know where men want to be touched so that you can grow your relationship with him. In this video we are going to discuss about 9 places where men want to be touched. For better understanding, watch full video. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. 1. Gently soothe his face. As per Chinese medicine, yang is a kind of male energy that has been associated with male sexual drive for years, and to top it all, the male face is the ground for most of the yang channels. You got it right. Try and relax your partner's mood by running your fingers gently over his face. You will see a marked difference in his mood instantly. 2. Soothe his neckline. The neck is the next region to explore. The neck region holds the thyroid gland, which is believed to get stimulated upon gentle caresses, which is responsible for the body's metabolism, including his sexual drive. After a while, switch the action with your lips. 3. Play it along his ears. The earlobe is a zone that has numerous nerve endings. So every time you touch his earlobe, he will go crazy. Use imaginative ways to entice his senses by using your tongue, teeth, or simply play with your fingers. 4. Magical touch on his hands. Though his palm can seem a bit rough to work under your gentle strokes, still this trick is quite effective to complete the business. Circle your fingers starting from the outer edge of his palm, slowly progressing towards the center. Gently press the webs with your thumb and forefinger to ease his tension and see him go crazy. 5. Root through the spine. His lower back can be a good route to arousal. Move and rub your fingers on the region just above the hip bone. This will generate heat, warm his skin and relax him. Now go gently towards the spine above while exerting the pressure. You can also entice his senses by tickling him very sensually with your hair. 6. Behind his knees. The region behind his knees is very delicate and has many nerves to stimulate his senses. This sensitive volatile spot can be explored to drive him into pleasure villa. Scratch gently behind his knees to generate heat and ticklish sensations. 7. Tickle his belly button. His navel is an exciting spot to explore his urges. Start by making circles around the navel and then go towards the outer edge. But do remember, the amount of pressure has to remain consistent or the entire process can turn completely laughable. You can use a feather or maybe an ice cube to heighten his pleasure. 8. Bottoms high. The soles of his feet are another tried and tested region. However, precaution should be taken while exercising the pressure, or you will send him to one of his laughing sprees, which is something that is not going to get him into the mood. So, move your fingers gently like a rhythm. 9. Caress his hair. His hair is as important as the rest of his body. Run your fingers through his hair, very gently and sensually. Play with his locks, moving your fingers up and down his neck and ears. This would definitely prepare him for everything you have on your mind. So, ladies, use these steps to heighten your bedroom experience and to send your man's spirits soaring. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.